Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update LangChain to the latest version. Okay, so first up, open up your terminal or command prompt. Okay, just the regular command prompt, open it up. Okay, once it's open, go ahead and type in or check your current LangChain version. First up, type in pip show LangChain. Hit enter. Here you have the version. If you're sure that their latest version, okay, you can go ahead and type in pip install space hyphen upgrade space LangChain. Okay, once done, just hit on enter and wait for the process to finish. Okay, now if you want to install the latest version of pip, you can go ahead and copy this command right here. Just copy and paste like so. Wait for it, and as you can see here, says successfully installed pip 25.2, which is the latest. That just installs the latest stable PYPI release. So meta integrations are now separate packages. You'll have to update them to ensure full compatibility. Okay, it is optional. You can just skip this one. If not, just type in pip install hyphen upgrade space LangChain. Maybe you have OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI like that. There you go. Or the community version of LangChain. So again, pip install hyphen upgrade space LangChain hyphen community. Okay, wait for it. And there you have it. That's how you update LangChain to the latest version. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.